Hello students, happy to be able to reach to you all. In this video lecture, I am going to explain to you how to classify a second order linear partial differential equation. Now, we consider the simplest case when the number of independent variables in the given second order linear partial differential equation is 2. The independent variables we are denoting as x and y, and the dependent variable is u. So in the simplest possible case, the form which the second order linear partial differential equation takes is auxx plus buxy plus cuyy plus dux plus euy plus fu is equal to g, where the coefficients a, b, c, d, e, f, g and the dependent variable u are all functions of x and y, and they are twice continuously differentiable in the given domain of R square. Now when this is the case, the question is how to classify the second order linear partial differential equation. Now to classify this given second order linear partial differential equation, we first need to learn what is the nature of the given second order linear partial differential equation at a point in the domain. So consider a point x0, y0, the ordered pair x0, y0 in the given domain of consideration. What we do is we find the value of b square minus 4ac at this point x0, y0, which means that in this expression b square minus 4ac, wherever x and y are coming, you have to replace x by x0 and y by y0 and find the value of the expression b square minus 4ac. Now if the value of this expression comes out to be greater than 0, then the given second order linear partial differential equation is hyperbolic at the point x0, y0. If the value of the expression b square minus 4ac comes out to be equal to 0 at the point x0, y0, then the given second order linear partial differential equation is parabolic at the point x0, y0. And if the expression b square minus 4ac comes out to be less than 0 at the point x0, y0, then the given second order linear partial differential equation is elliptic. Now, so we have understood what we mean by saying nature of a given second order linear partial differential equation at a point in the domain. Now when we know this, then we can easily classify a given second order linear partial differential equation into three categories. Now if the given second order linear partial differential equation is hyperbolic at each point of the domain, then it is said to be a hyperbolic partial differential equation. If the given second order linear partial differential equation is parabolic at each point of its domain, then it is said to be a parabolic partial differential equation. And if the second order partial differential equation, the given second order partial differential equation, if it is elliptic at each point of its domain, then it is said to be an elliptic partial differential equation. So this is how you categorize a given second order linear partial differential equation into three categories: the hyperbolic partial differential equation, the parabolic partial differential equation and the elliptic partial differential equation.